Hi all, a very good morning. Welcome to ILT Academy. So let us continue with the class. Like yesterday, I asked you to do 5 sums homework. Right, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Students are telling that 30th question is little tricky. So let us see. This is very basic question. See now, the cost price of 40 oranges is equal to what? Selling price of 30 oranges. Find the percentage profit. So take some random number. Here I am taking 1200. Okay. Cost price of 40 oranges. Let us assume 1200. Sir, why did you take 1200? It is your wish. You take some random number. Okay. Why 1200 I have taken means 1200 divided by 40 kitna rahega? 0, 4, 1s are 3. Okay. 30. So what is this 30 rupees? Cost of 1 orange. Any doubts? Now they are telling that cost price of 40 oranges is equal to what? Selling price of 30 oranges, which means that here also can I take 1200? So now selling price of 1 orange will be what? 1200 divided by 30. 0, 3 ones are 40. So 40 rupees is selling price of 1 orange. Now is it very simple? 1 orange selling price is 40 rupees and 1 orange cost price is what? 30. So the difference between 40 and 30 is how much? 10 rupees is profit. So what is profit percentage formula? 10 divided by 30 into 100. Understood? Profit divided by cost into 100. 0, 0 cancel. So 100 by 3, which is 33.33%. Cost price always. Whenever they did not mention unit. Where did I take selling price? Selling price is cost price ही कम रहता ना selling price से. Yes question. Done? Clear ना? Write down. Next question. 32nd question क्या है? A shopkeeper bought locks at a rate of 8 locks for how much? 34 rupees and sold them at rate of how much? 12 locks for 57 rupees. Calculate his gain percentage. अब देखो 8 locks he sold, he bought it at what? 34 rupees. 8 locks he bought for 34. So 1 lock का value क्या रहेगा? X. So 8x is equal to 34. X is equal to 34 divided by 8, which is 17 divided by 4. If you want 4.25. Clear ma? 1 lock cost is how much? 4.25. Now he sold 12 locks for how much? 57 rupees. So 1 lock he sold for what? Same way. 12x is equal to 57. X is equal to what? 57 divided by 12. So 3 4s are 3 19s are. 19 by 4 will be what? 4.75. So what is the profit he is making on 1 lakh? 4.75 minus 4.25, which is 0.50 on 1 lakh. And what is the profit percentage they are asking? Which is 0.25 divided by what? 4.25 into 100. So here we can write this as 25 by 100 and this as 425 by 100. 100 cancel. Here 100 is there. Now what you can do is 25 ones are 25 17s are. So 100 by 17 is the answer. Profit percentage. Okay. You can do 5 point कुछ आएगा टाइम. नहीं आ रहा ना. Wait 1 second. Sorry, profit percentage is 5 now. 0.25. डबल हो जाता है इसका. 200 by 17 it is. 0.50 divided by what? 4.25 into 100, which is 50 divided by 100 divided by 425 divided by 100 into what? 100. 100 cancel. Now 25 2s are 25 17s are 200 divided by what? 17. Okay, you can do like this also. 270 13 पॉइंट डाल के 0 17 7 सा 119 11.7 में आंसर एक ही ऑप्शन रहेगा 11.76. एनी डाउट्स? अंडरस्टूड? क्लियर? इसमें कुछ डाउट है क्या? Now Vikas bought an article at what? 150 rupees and sold it at a profit of how much? 20%. So what would have been the increase in the profit percentage if it was sold for what? Rupees 195. What would be the increase in the profit percentage if it was sold for how much? 195 rupees. अब देखो, very simple. सेकंड क्वेश्चन कर रहे हैं ना विकास. For how much? 150 rupees and he sold it at 20% profit. इसका मतलब क्या है? Cost price is 150, profit is equal to 150 into 20 divided by 100, which is 1 za 5 za 5 1 za 5 30. So profit percentage, profit in rupees is what? 30. So selling price of article is how much? 180. So when he sells at 180, what is the profit percentage? 20%. ये फाइंड करने का ज़रूरत ही नहीं है, सब लोग यहाँ मिस्टेक. Okay, our question is what? He sold it at what? 195 rupees. Now when he sells it at 195 rupees, what is the cost? 150. So 190 minus 150 is how much? 45. So 45 divided by 150 into 100. 52 is 53 is 3 1s are 15 is 15 into 2 is what? 30%. Earlier what is the percentage? 20%. Now what is the percentage? 30%, which is mentioned in the question. So increase in the profit percentage is how much? 10%. पहले 20% दिया, 30 रुपीज़ है, समझ में आया? वहाँ मिस्टेक कर लेते आप. सो व्हेन प्रॉफिट परसेंटेज इज गिवन 20%, न्यू प्रॉफिट परसेंटेज फाइंड करने के लिए हमें क्या चाहिए? न्यू प्रॉफिट कितना है चाहिए? 150 इज आवर कॉस्ट, वी आर सेलिंग इट 195. सो हाउ मच इज द प्रॉफिट वी मेड? 45 रुपीज़. 45 डिवाइड बाय 150 इंटू 100. एनी डाउट्स? 33 डन. डिड यू राइट? 32 33 लिखिए. गॉट इट नो? सो ये करने का ज़रूरत है क्या हमें? नहीं. डोंट वेस्ट योर टाइम. सो इट्स क्लियर दैट वी नीड टू फाइंड ओनली दिस. सो व्हेन वी नो दिस एंड दिस, द डिफरेंस इज व्हाट? 10%. Thirty-fourth question. A makes an article for how much? 250 and sells it to B at a profit of 20%. B sells it to C, who sells it for 386.4 by making a profit of 15%. What profit percentage did B make? B sells it to C, who sells it for 386.4 making a profit of how much? 15%. So what profit percentage did B make? ये कर सकते क्या? Try, you wanna make it? One minute time only. Try it. Yeah, Pratik. See, A sells it to B, B sells it to C, C sells it to D. समझ लो, he is customer. Okay. What is A's price? A का cost कितना है? 200 and he adds a profit of 250. A का प्राइस कितना है? 250 and he adds a markup of how much? 20%. So 20% profit. So very simple, 250 into 20 डिवाइड बाई 100, 0 0 कैंसिल, 25 टू ज़ा कितना हो गया 50, सो 25 प्लस 50 कितना हो गया 300. नाउ 300 से दिस फेलो हैड सम प्रॉफिट एंड सी को बेच दिया. नाउ सी सोल्ड इट टू डी एट व्हाट 6.4. he had added a profit percentage of how much 15%. सो अब ये 100 समझ लिए तो कितना हो गया ये 100 प्लस 15 115. दिस इज इक्वल टू व्हाट 115. हमें 100 का वैल्यू चाहिए. सो 386.4 इंटू 100 डिवाइड बाई 115 यू नीड टू डू इट. मा 336. सो इनका प्रॉफिट कितना है B2C के बीच में ट्रांजैक्शन 36. यू कैन सी 336 प्लस 15% करो 386.4 आ जाता. सो हियर 36 इज द प्रॉफिट. सो 36 डिवाइड बाई 300 इंटू 100, 0 0 कैंसिल, 3 1 ज़ा 12. आंसर इज 12%. खत्म. गॉट इट? क्लियर? ये इंपॉर्टेंट है. 100 बाई 115. वी डिड नॉट डू द टेबल नाउ. आई मेड यू टू अंडरस्टैंड डायरेक्टली. वाई? बिकॉज 100 रुपीज़ पर हम कितना ऐड कर लिए 15%. सो दिस वैल्यू इज इक्वल टू 115%. क्लियर? सो डिवाइड बाई 115 इंटू 100 कर दो. थर्टी फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन देखो. अब देख, a reduction of 20% in the price of sugar enables a housewife to buy 5.4 kgs more for rupees 432. Find the reduced price per kilogram. ये भी 1 मिनट टाइम दे रहा हूँ. Exactly 1 minute. Please try it. क्या हुआ माँ? You were able to do anything?
I got 16.
You got 16. But answer is 20. So it's not like that. Very simple. आप कोई भी शॉप में गए, एक 10 चॉकलेट खरीदे, एक चॉकलेट 10 रुपीज़ का है. सो हाउ मच डू यू पे? 10 चॉकलेट खरीदे, एक चॉकलेट 10 रुपये का है. 100 rupees. Very good. So 10 into 10 is what? 100. So I can tell that price into quantity is my total expenditure. Any doubts? Earlier I used to pay X price and I used to get Y quantity at what rupees? 432 rupees. This I know. Now what happened? My price has been reduced by how much? X minus 20%, which is 0.8x. Clear? And I am getting what? Y plus 5.4 kgs. That still my expenditure is 432. Any doubts? Okay. Price into quantity is 432. Now my price got reduced by what? 20%. So x minus 20% of x is what? 0.8x. इसमें clarity है क्या? ये 0.8x कैसे आया? Clear? 1 minus 20%, that is 0.8x. Clear? And I am getting 5.4 kgs y for 432 rupees. Now this is my equation number 1. This is my equation number 2. What I can do over here? 1 divided by 2. X divided by 0.8x into y divided by y plus 5.4 is equal to what? 432 by 432. Cancel. X cancel. Clear? So y is equal to what? This and this will go that side. 0.8 into y plus 5.4. So from this, what do I get? Y is equal to 0.8y plus 0.8 into 5.4. Do it in the calculator. 5.4 into 0.8 करो माँ. कितना? 4.3. 32. 0.8 into 5.4 is 4.32. Y minus 0.8y will be what? 0.2y is equal to what? 4.32. So y is equal to 4.32 divided by what? 0.2. Can you please do this? 4.32 divided by 0.2. 21.6 kuch aana chahiye. So earlier quantity was what? 21.6 kgs. Okay. So by spending 432 rupees, I used to get what? 21.6. So 432 divided by 21.6, which is 20 rupees, is my x. Any doubts? I have substituted in the first equation. 21.6. When I put over here, 432 divided by 21.6 is 20 rupees. Clear? Any doubts, ma'am? This is only the simplest way. This is very easy thing, no? X chocolates I am buying for y rupees and 432, and now I have got what? My price reduced by 20%, 0.8x, and I am getting what? More 5.4 kgs, 5 plus 5.4. Still my expenditure is what? 432. I have just divided. This is the basic way, and this is the basic concept. इससे ज़्यादा simple way you can't do, and you need to remember a lot of formulas for this. 20% is equal to 25%. By reducing the price of 20%, I'll get 25% more quantity. उतना करने के जगह आप ये करना ही बेटर है. ठीक है? This is the basic solving. Be careful and be fast over here. Okay? You should never ये कैलकुलेशन हार्ड है बोल के कभी भी नहीं सोचना. इससे एक 20-30 टाइम्स मोर complex calculations we are going to do now. Okay, basic है ना. I told no, 10 chocolates you are purchasing for 10 rupees means 100 rupees. Same X chocolates, X rupees, Y chocolates. हमें क्या x फाइंड करना है क्वेश्चन में. Right. ये देखो, a man buys 50 kgs of oil at what? 10 rupees per kg, and another 40 kgs of oil at 12 rupees per kg, and mixes them. He sells the mixture at a rate of 11 rupees per kg. What will be his gain percentage if he is able to sell the whole lot? So let me explain you what happened over here. A man buys what? 50 kgs of oil at 10 rupees per kg. So how much did he spend? 50 into 10, 500. ये हो गया A quantity. Okay. Now B, how much?
40 kgs of oil at 12.
So 40 into 12 कितना हो गया? 480. So total his cost will be what? 500 plus 480, 980. इसमें कुछ डाउट है क्या? Now whole mixture, that is 50 plus 40 mix करे तो कितना आता आपको? 90 kgs. That he sold at what? 11. So 90 into 11 is what? 990. ये हो गया क्या? सेलिंग प्राइस. क्लियर? नाउ प्रॉफिट इज नथिंग बट व्हाट? 990 minus 980, which is what? 10. And profit percentage will be what? 10 divided by 980 into 100. This will be what? 0 0 cancel, which is 100 divided by 98%. Ha, 100 divided by 98%. Any doubts? Is there anything in this question? Is there anything in this question? Easy only, but still we can't do. If the cost price of 25 articles is equal to the selling price of 15 articles, Then find the profit percentage. ये कर सकते क्या? Did we do the same thing? Yes, take it. Take 300 as cost price of 300 नहीं 25 15 का LCM क्या रहता? 375. Take 375. Cost price of 25 articles, you take it as 375. Very good. 66.61% on. Let me take cost price of 25 articles as 375. Then I will get one article cost price is equal to 375 divided by 25, which is 15. Now selling price of 15 articles is same as that. So here I can take 375. So one article selling price will be what? 375 divided by 15, which is 25. Now difference is profit. 25 minus 15 is what? 10. So profit percentage is equal to what? 10 divided by 15 into 100. 5 2s are 5 3s are 200 divided by 3, which is 66.66%. Like this. Any doubts, ma? 38th question. A shopkeeper sells sugar in such a way that selling price of 850 grams is same as what? Cost price of 1 kilo. Then find his gain percentage. ये क्वेश्चन कर सके तो बहुत अच्छा रहता. See, don't worry, इतना टेंशन नहीं. It is very simple. 1 kg cost price is suppose 1700. Sir, why did you take 1700? LCM 850 का डबल में कर दिया ब्रेन में थोड़ा बहुत. 852 is 1700. So that is the reason I have taken that. अब देखो, suppose 1 kg cost price is what? 1700. 850 grams का कितना है? सेलिंग प्राइस इज 1700. सो 1 kg और 850 में फ़र्क क्या है? ग्राम्स, राइट? कन्वर्ट एवरीथिंग इनटू ग्राम्स. यहाँ पर 1 ग्राम का कितना हो जाएगा? 1700 डिवाइड बाई 1000, विच इज़ 1.7. यहाँ पर क्या हो जाएगा? 1 ग्राम का 1700 डिवाइड बाई 850, विच इज़ 2. सो द प्रॉफिट ऑन 1 ग्राम इज व्हाट? 0.3. and profit percentage they are asking. So 0.3 divided by 1.7 into 100, which is 3 by 10, 17 by 10 into 100. 10 cancel. 3 into 100 is what? 300 divided by 17. 300 17. 17 ones are 17. 13 130. 17 sevens are 119. 11 112. 17.6%. They did this one. 17 11 by 17 यहाँ तक आया देखो मैं. 17 so they did not do the decimals. So quotient is what? 17. Remainder is 11. 7 by 17. Like this they have it. Any doubts? Mixed fraction लिखे 17 11 by 17%. Quotient, remainder, denominator. Clear? Done. Next, 39th question. What is the question? A dealer buys X 72 rupees per gross. हाँ यहाँ ही गया. Gross का मतलब क्या? Gross means 12 dozens. 1 gross is equal to 12 dozens, which is 144 eggs. He sells eggs at a profit of how much? 72.5% on the cost price. What is the selling price per egg? Okay. So 1 gross is equal to 144. Is equal to 144. At 72 rupees, he is purchasing 144 eggs. So 1 egg value will be what, ma? 72 divided by 144, which is 0.50 rupees. Now he is making a profit of how much the question tells? 6.25% on cost. So profit is equal to on 1 egg is 0.50 into 6.25 divided by what? 100. So यहाँ पे आप क्या कर सकते हैं? Which is 0.03. Okay, 0.50 into 6.25 divided by 100 is what? 0.03. So total selling price for 1 egg is what? Cost price plus profit, which is 0.50 plus 0.03, which is 0.53. Any doubts? Clear? Done. Sum. Seema, P sold a table to Q at a profit of 25%. Q sold the same table to R for 90 rupees, thereby making a profit of 20%. Find the price at which P bought the table from Z if it is known that Z gained 25% on this transaction. Question समझ में आया? Can you do it? 1 minute time है. देखो, P sold a table to Q. P is selling to whom? Q at 25% profit. Q sold ये कितना बना है? 25%. P to Q. Now Q sold that to R for how much? 90 rupees, and thereby making a profit of how much? 20%. So अब देखो, ये 100 मान लिया तो 100 plus 20 कितना? 120. This is 120. So 90 into 100 divided by what? 120 if you do know. 0 0 cancel. 3 4s are 3 3s are. So 300 divided by 4, which is how much? 75. So Q के लिए क्या है वो? 75. अब सेम वे ये 100 माने तो 100 plus 25 will be what? 125. So 75 into 100 divided by what? 125. 4 जा 5 जा 5 1 जा 15. 15 4 जा कितना हो गया? 60. क्लियर? पीस कॉस्ट प्राइस इज व्हाट? 60. Z से यहाँ मतलब ही नहीं है. Z नॉट रिक्वायर्ड फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन. P का कॉस्ट प्राइस यहाँ ही आ गया हमें. क्लियर? Did you do the same thing?
In the other method.
हाँ, but हाँ yesterday's. Same way ये क्वेश्चन करो मैं. 41st question. A sold a table to B at a profit of 15%. Later B sold it back to A at a profit of 20%, thereby gaining rupees 69. How much did A pay for the table originally? ये करना है question. Do it. Now Seema, the question. A sold to B. B again sold it to A. Clear? Here how much is the percentage he made? 15%. Here he made what? 20%. And we do have what?
Profit.
ये दिए, which is what? 69. Directly you do 69 divided by 20%. कितना आता देखो? 69 divided by 20%. 69 divided by 20 into 100. 345. This is what? 100% value. Right? मुझे क्या चाहिए? Here I want. Clear? So same way ये 100 माने तो 100 plus 15 is what? 345. So 345 into 100 divided by 115, which is 300. Answer is 300. That's it. Clear? See, I know 20% divided by 69. 69 को अगर 20% से divide करें तो 100% value I'll get. That means not right side figure but left side figure I'll get. इस 345 को if I add 20%, if I want this, I will get it as 414. Understood? Same नीचे है समझो, उन दोनों को divide करो, you will get this figure. Clear? This is the concept. Easy हो गया ये? Understood? Did not understand? What is the question? 41. Next. 42 question. A dealer sold the TV sets for 9,600 each, gaining 20% on one and losing 20% on the other set. Find the net gain or net loss. ये कल मैं एक फार्मूला बताया था, याद है? Same profit percentage and loss percentage. When two puppies are sold at same profit percentage and loss percentage, then what? भूल गए. Cool, don't worry, leave it. हाँ कर दो, डायरेक्टली कर. Okay, fine. 42. You can see, cost price plus profit is equal to what? Selling price. And one more thing is what? Cost price.
Selling price plus.
Anything. Same. Cost price minus loss is equal to what? Selling price. I asked you to take this as 100. Take this as 100. अब profit percentage कितना बोल के बोल रहा question में?
20%.
20%. And this will be what? 120. And rupees is given as what? Selling price is what?
9,600.
9,600. यहाँ पे भी क्या? 9,600. Here I can keep it as x. This is situation 1 and situation 2. From this I will get how much? X is equal to 9,600 into 100 divided by 120. 0 0 cancel. 12 ones are 8. So ये बन गया 8,000. So my profit is how much? Difference, that is 1,600. यहाँ पर देखो सेम में 9,600 into 100 divided by what? 80. 80 ones are 12 are 1200. 12,000. My x value is what? 12,000. So ये बन गया 2,400 loss. अब देखो profit was how much? 1,600. Loss is how much? 2,400. So net profit हुआ, net loss हुआ. Net loss. I told you yesterday. Loss ही होता बोल के. कितना? 800 rupees. Any doubt?
Square root of.
Yes. Square root नहीं, square. 800 rupees. 800 rupees is my net loss. Question में क्या पूछ रही है यहाँ पर? Oh, हो गया. 800 rupees loss. Done. Clear ma? In this any doubts? No profit no loss बोल के तो नहीं बोल के आओ. देखो, on selling tea at 20 rupees per kg 10% loss is incurred. So let us find this one. First ये situation complete कर लेंगे. We know how to do. 43 percentage amount cost price minus loss, that will be equal to selling price. Any doubts? Right? 100%, 10% is what? Loss. Then this will be what? 90. And we are selling at what price they are telling? 20 rupees per kg. देखिए मैम. So here can I calculate this part? I'll keep loss only. Okay, loss चाहिए मेरे को इस पर. Okay, like this. If I do 20 into 10 divided by what? 90 will be my x. 0 0 cancel, which is what? 2 by 9. For 1 kg I am suffering loss of how much? 2 by 9. Any doubts? X kgs, my loss is how much? 60. ये देखो 60 is equal to 2 by 9 x. X is equal to what? 60 into 9 divided by 2. 2 ones are 30. 30 into 9 is what? 270 kgs. Oh, 27 kgs. मैंने कुछ मिस्टेक करा क्या? Oh sorry, this is 20 by 9. ये 20 by 9 ले लो. So नीचे 0 रहता. This is 0 0 cancel. 227. Any doubts? Clear, right? Next one. A color TV and a VCP were sold at what? 19,800 each. The TV was sold at 10% loss, whereas VCP was sold at a gain of how much? 10%. Find the gain or loss in the whole transaction. इस बार देखो 4 ऑप्शन लॉस ही दिया. ओके, व्हेन प्रॉफिट इज गिवन ऑब्वियसली यू कैन इवन गेस. ठीक है, कर सकते राइट. सो सेम फॉर्मूला, कॉस्ट प्राइस प्लस प्रॉफिट इज व्हाट सेलिंग प्राइस. यहाँ पर परसेंटेज रुपीस लिख सकते हैं. सेम वे कॉस्ट प्राइस माइनस लॉस, दिस इज सेलिंग प्राइस. यहाँ पर क्या लिख सकते हैं, परसेंटेज रुपीस. 1 इज़ 100, सो 10, ये कितना हो गया 110. 1 इज़ 100 एंड 10, ये कितना हो गया 90. एंड दीज आर सोल्ड एट व्हाट 19,800 ईच. ये भी क्या 19,800 ईच. आई विल कीप एक्स ओवर हियर ओनली. ठीक है, देन वी विल गेट प्रॉफिट ऑन लॉस. सो x is equal to 19,800 into 10 divided by what 110. 0 0 cancel. 1800, this is 1800 profit. Next यहाँ पर same way x is equal to what 19,800 into 10 divided by what 90. 0 0 cancel. 9 ones are 2200. So 2200 minus 1800 is what 400 loss. Any doubts, ma? Next 45th question देखो. A man sells TV set for 33,000, makes a profit of 10%. He sells another TV at a loss of 20%. If on the whole transaction he neither gains nor losses, find the selling price on the second TV. Okay, so very simple. First TV का कर लेंगे, first transaction. ये first TV. So what you can write? Cost price plus profit is equal to what selling price. यहाँ पर percentage rupees 100 and what is the profit percentage he is making on the first TV 10%. So ये हो गया 110. So ये हो गया 33,000 and this part anywhere you can put x. So here x is equal to what 33,000 into 100 divided by what 110. 0 0 cancel. 1 ones are 3. 3,000 tens are 30,000. Here cost is 30,000. You can make it as what 3,000. Any doubts? फर्स्ट टीवी का हो गया. साथ साथ में अब सेकंड टीवी. नाउ सेकंड टीवी कॉस्ट प्राइस वी डोंट नो बट लॉस है बोल के मालूम. देन कॉस्ट प्राइस माइनस लॉस इज इक्वल टू व्हाट सेलिंग प्राइस परसेंटेज एंड रुपीस. क्लियर? वी नो दैट on cumulative transaction neither profit is there nor loss is there. So here I will suffer 3,000 loss and they told that profit or loss percentage is how much in this question 20% loss. Okay, so ये 100 हो गया, ये 80 हो गया. So anywhere you can put x. If I put here what I will get 100 into 3,000 is equal to x into 20. So x is equal to 3,000 into 100 divided by 20. 0 1 5 3,000 5 how much 15,000. 15,000 is the cost price. So here it will be 12,000. Now question में क्या पूछा? Find the selling price of the second TV. Second TV set का selling price कितना हो गया 12,000. Any doubts? Clear? Understood ma? Did not understand. हाँ, ये इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ है इसमें. ओके, 3,000 प्रॉफिट इसमें हुआ ना, इसमें लॉस कितना हो गया 3,000. वाई? बिकॉज बोथ ट्रांजेक्शन्स टुगेदर नीदर प्रॉफिट इज देयर नॉर लॉस. सो इट मीन्स 3,000 लॉस पर बेचे. एंड परसेंटेजेस यू नो हाउ टू कीप इट.